What's up, everybody? My name is Ryan, and I am so thrilled to be welcoming you to Devlog 0 of my first game, Journeys Beyond.
Let me set this stage for you. It's 1996, Super Mario 64, Quake, and Duke Nukem have gamers of all ages enraptured in the emerging tech that promises to transform the gaming landscape. However, there are still some classic point and click 2.5 dimension games that are being shared through mail order and shareware. One such game was a small, lesser known gem called Amber Journeys Beyond. This game holds a special place in my heart because my dad was a 3D modeler on the tiny team that produced Amber. Amber was a horror puzzle solving game that involved finding a damsel in distress in a spectral coma from which you, the player, must free her from by traveling through time around a haunted house and learning the stories of 3 ghosts who reside there. The story was weird, the tone in the haunted house was the perfect level of eerie, and my dad always gave me cool insight into the tips and tricks they used to produce the game with the limited tech at the time. So for my first commercial game, I'm creating an homage game to Amber with the working title Journeys Beyond. However, there were a lot of steps to take to get ready to start building this game, hence Devlog 0. If this idea sounds interesting to you, be sure to hit the subscribe button below for future devlogs. So I searched how to build a game because being a web developer with 8 years of experience, I have no idea how game engines work. I spent a month or so vetting the different engines before deciding on Unity. I won't get into that decision, but I do have a blog post on my reasoning linked in the description below. I then spent weeks watching videos and tutorials from creators like CodeMonkey, PassiveStar, and Spaderdabomb, I hope I said that right, for some of the elements I need to put this game together. I built labs where I tested player controllers, terrain building, C# events, and a whole lot of other things. Finally, I decided I knew enough to at least get started. I started a game design doc to track my levels and story, and then I put together a Trello board with a bunch of tasks and ideas on it, and I'll just move that over there. And then finally, I went ahead and I started the official Unity project. This is it. This is the one. Journeys Beyond. I forgot the S. All right, I'll go back and fix that later. I started by coding up this first-person movement controller, and by coding up, I mean just blatantly ripping off PassiveStars. Don't tell them. Anyway, and this is really how fast I code. This isn't just a recording. That'd be weird. It didn't take me 2 hours. But the result is now I can walk around, and you'll see that here. I can walk around this gray cube. And there you go. That's your game. That's it. I did it. I'm just kidding. There's going to be a lot more.
So anyway, yeah, you can run around a gray square now. And I know that's not a lot, but this is, like I said, Devlog 0. And just explaining the project and my aspirations for it and what I've gone through to prepare. And in the next devlog, which you're going to watch because you're about to hit that subscribe button down below, you're going to see me actually build a terrain, start to build the haunted house, put together some mechanics. I'll talk a little bit about script writing. But yeah, we're going to move those tasks across that Trello board, and this is going to be an awesome game. I can't wait to release it. Right now, I don't have a Steam page, and I'm hoping to have one ready when I actually have a larger update that you can run around a gray square. So you can't wishlist it right now. But in the meantime, like I said, if you want to support the project, leave a comment, leave a like, hit subscribe if you're interested in seeing more content. And I just want to thank you for watching Devlog 0 of Journeys Beyond.